and his family, you're going to notice there's another family.
No brain. I couldn't make it. Hey guys, good. I'm thinking we're still in the morning. Yes, good morning. It's 10 a.m. and I woke up a little bit late. Today is Easter Monday. Yeah, I could not record yesterday and the day before. I don't even know why, but let's just go as it goes. So guys, I am arranging my room. My room is a mess. I'm trying to figure out this lighting. Yeah. So guys, I want to arrange my room today. My room is a mess. When I say it's a mess, I mean literally upside down. Basically means we're deep cleansing today. I'm going to be cleaning everywhere, and I'm still trying to figure out this my camera settings. Really trying, because I don't know why it keeps going dark when my face is not there. Why are you going dark? Explain yourself. Let me show you my room. Please don't judge. I keep saying this every. Don't judge me. I've not done this in a while because 9 to 5, but in my case I'll say 5 to 9 has been ridiculous. But today I'm cleaning my room. I'm really excited. If you know me, you know I get excited when I need to clean. But I'm fasting today. Today is day 19. But it's really gonna stress me out because I won't be able to drink water or like have any snacks in between. So today's cleaning might be a little bit slow paced. I'm not really bothered. First things first, I need to take down this curtain. I need to wash my curtains, guys. They are so dirty. But that's what we're doing this morning, Sha. So let's start dusting.
used to have each other's playlists. No, no.
The house of the Prophet ﷺ and his family, you're going to notice there's another family there. And this is the family that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions that he has chosen in the Quran. And it is Ali Imran, the family of Imran.
Hey guys, good morning. Eid mubarak. Today is Eid. Today is Friday 20 something. So I know this vlog has been like everywhere and I've not vlogged in a bit. I'm planning to vlog like my entire day, which I must say almost did not start well. My voice is weird this morning. I woke up with like really terrible stomach pain, but we're getting ready, and it is 7:40. I think Eid prayer starts by 9 or 10, so I need to get ready like 30 minutes ago. So let's get ready for Eid. Guys, I'm so tired. Hopefully when I have my bath I'll be a little bit pumped up, because I am not pumped up right now. So let's get ready. So guys, because I feel not so pumped up, I decided to open the top 100 music playlist on Apple Music. Just listen to 1 or 2 songs to get me pumped up.
No competition for my lady. We used to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways. But your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see.
So guys, I am done. I'm ready to go to the mosque. I'm a bit late. It is 9:25 and I need to get there before 10 o'clock. Hopefully they are praying by 10 though. So I need to carry my bag, wear my shoes, and I'll be gone.
We belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry.
So I'm taking these skills for photo shoots. I am going to I'm carrying this bag because it's cute. So this is basically my feet. So my bed is a mess because I was looking for what to wear. So that's that. I'm good to go. Let me pack my bag. Hey guys.
We belong together.
So guys, I look cute. We're going to eat. Such a cute girl.
You're not even my crush. You think you my star, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you.
So guys, let me cherry pop. She's the thorn in the rose that used to shoot me every time. What an introduction! So, they're done praying. I couldn't make it because there was traffic. But see how fine she looks. See her outfit! What's my outfit, you know? We do black almost every time. My sister said I always look depressed when I go to the mosque. But I showed her this year. Wait for a reaction. But anyways, Ramadan, Eid Mubarak, sorry. Anyways, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak, guys. What are you doing? Oh, you look so fine.
Step so fast. If you think you can do better, go ahead. I won't miss you. No regrets. Getting really good at goodbye. I just wanna have a good time. See, I stay away from drama. Strong believer in karma. Block your number so I don't go insane. And when you come to your senses and realize what you're missing, better hold that I remember your name. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. Baby, I just had to let you know. Baby, I just had to let you know.
So guys, today I'm going for an event. I'm already running late, but I think I'm going to video some parts of it. I don't know. But I want to show you my full feet. I'm looking like, I don't know what, I look cute. Who does think I look cute? Wait. But I look cute though. So, I'm wearing this top, I'm wearing this pants. Let me turn my camera around so you can see it in my mirror. Oh, so I don't know if you can still see it though.
You think you my star, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you bluff. 'Cause